What's going on, guys? Certain Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to get the old YouTube layout back because it's just 10 times better than the newest one. If you guys want to find out how to do so, stay tuned.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alrighty, guys. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below. Since we're going to be getting rid of this, I don't like the new layout. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store, and this is a add-on. But what I usually do is I take my add-ons and I put them here, so that way they don't show up and you'll never have to worry about it again. So what you want to do is go to the link in the description below, click Add to Chrome here, click Add Extension. It's going to say Restore Classic for YouTube has been added to Chrome. So now what you can go ahead and do is open up YouTube. You can click on this and click Classic Design here. Now what it should do is it should reload the page, and if it doesn't, you can go ahead and just click reload. You might have to do it a couple times because I just had it to verify. But so yeah, that is how you get the old YouTube layout back, which I honestly is really helpful because all you got to do is click it and you're done. And if you want the new YouTube layout back, you click it and you click New Design 2018. You don't have to do any scripts. You don't have to change anything. You just have to download a simple tool. I'll be doing a video on how to do this for different browsers and stuff. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.